welcome back. Picking up right where we left off.
Yeah.
We are looking for a rad slime or a plort, as well as...
Plort. Well, when you find a slime, you can get a plort.
Yeah.
There's a cat somewhere.
Is there? Where?
You heard the coin?
Oh yeah, I don't have anything. I don't have anything.
You probably could have found a chicken if you moved your ass a little bit.
Oh my god, it was such a day.
It's just in there.
Oh, did it blow it up? No.
It's just sitting there. Maybe a little chickadoo. The chickadoo.
I thought they can't.
I don't know. Just shoot it. Shoot it. Just bounce around. Maybe the chicken around. Just like the chickadoo's in that area. Like look over there.
Chicken.
They're
all little babies.
Oh, wait, there's an odd onion there. You do need that.
Oh, good.
And then maybe on the other side too. Yeah.
Shit, is it gone?
Yeah. Do you not hear the jingle when it's around?
No, I literally didn't hear that. God, why are you hitting me?
Pay attention. That's how I knew it was there, because I heard the sound.
Oh.
So pay attention to the sound next time one's around.
Oh, okay.
So you can get used to it. It's just something with something jingling, like a coin jingling.
Okay.
Yeah.
You got it, girl.
Okay.
You got it.
Stop.
God. So mad. Okay, so
Mad.
one more on onion and a rad slime plort.
Yeah. You say it like every two minutes.
Because I have to
make sure
remind
you don't
myself,
forget
otherwise I will literally forget.
Oh
I'm
my
so
God.
stupid.
It's so stupid.
I'm so stupid, guys.
Your onion over there? Oh, it's
No, I need those.
Oka
though.
Oka.
Ah!
It's growing.
We'll finish.
God.
Be done.
That's onion growing. It's growing! Calm down!
I want it done now.
By the
for
time
me.
you get your rat, here, get a carrot, go feed the rat slime.
Where's the rat? Oh, I didn't even see that.
You can see them from far away.
I
It's
can't
a
get
big
up
old
there.
circle. Yes, you've been up there so many times.
Oh, yeah.
I can't stand you.
Hey.
I'm hungry.
Oh, God!
God! It's gonna eat you. It's not gonna eat you. You're just getting rats.
Yeah. That's what I meant. God.
There's another one.
Oh.
Look at it! You smiled. You're like,
I know!
"Oh, how you doing?"
dead?
Just scared myself. Go get the water plorts. Those are good. Oh, that was never mind. Fuck out of here. Oh,
I
take
could get some water plorts, though.
Okay.
But what are you going to tell me today?
No, just get one.
Wait, what are you going to tell me?
Take a second. Do
Okay.
that first. Because you'll need to do this on your way out.
Is that it for y'all?
Probably. Alright, grab the rock on your way back to get to your rock.
Oh, okay.
signs.
Where is that rock?
Where's it on the other side of this little chicken island? Right there. Oh, they love it.
Sorry,
I'm stealing
Get out of my way, bitch. Oh my gosh.
it. Oh, I don't steal it. Just steal.
Okay. She sounds so far away. Oh. I really can't see with this rock in your face. That's okay. Hopefully I don't get lost. That'd be typical me though. Oh. She's confused. She's like, what the hell, Dad? Oh god.
That they were within 20 feet of
Yeah.
her yard.
What, next to us or behind us?
Next to you.
Oh. Yeah, I don't like those neighbors either, Lonnie.
Oh my god.
Good job scaring them.
Alright.
Look, I found my way out. I didn't even get lost.
It's almost like it's a straight line.
You can't see it, but I'm very angry. Lonnie!
I'm gonna go
Close the curtains.
Yeah.
Lonnie, it's
Oh my
fine.
God.
Oh my god, she is wildin', guys. She is wildin'.
Hey, guess what? They're fine.
She's psychotic.
Why are you not talking?
Oh, I forget to talk.
Entertain them.
Will they use the rock to like, smash the... Okay. Oh, okay. so much darker now. Onions. How many did he need? 2. Perfect. There you go. And 3 of these things.
I have a cat.
Oh yeah.
That doesn't make her happy at all.
Yeah, they actually had a bunch of kittens for a while there.
Oh really?
Yeah. Yay!
Oh, you got him?
Yeah.
You got a crystal plort too. So you can make a...
Trash smells so bad.
We'll take it out.
All right, awesome. Oh, I need to put the rad plort in here.
Yeah, then they'll start munching.
Ooh, that's
Oh,
they're
they
gonna.
are angry. But
Oh yeah, I should put them over there.
Do you have any oka oka?
Yeah.
Okay, so just put
Yeah.
just put that in there to feed it to one of them, and then get that, and then feed the one that merges with it, the oka oka, because then it'll make more plorts, and then when they eat those, and you eat those.
Okay.
So
Hi.
just shoot that one.
Okay. Hi. Come here. Oh shit. Eat it. Oh,
There you
thank
go. Okay, so it'll make more, and then when those reproduce,
Okay.
like when those plorts, so you can eat those.
Okay. Eat it. Okay.
There.
Come on, guys. I'm not hungry. Oh my god, you keep missing. Yes. They keep missing.
They're jumping high.
Oh no.
Are your 2 berries grown?
Yeah.
Get those and feed them to them.
Okay.
Since they're pink, they can eat anything.
They don't jump bean out here.
Jumpy bean.
Yeah.
There you go. Oh, some are happy, some are so mad. Alright. There you go.
I'm gonna sell all my thingies. Building
You're rich now.
I'm so rich. I wish you were me.
This is done.
As I can do the thingy now. Hey, I'm gonna get a jetpack.
Okay. That's probably good.
Solar shield.
Mm-hmm. There you go.
I really need a plort collector for all these things that are
Yeah.
mean to me.
Yeah.
I don't know what to do.
I would put it, if you're gonna buy, like, go buy your stuff 1st,
Mhm.
and then see, like, try and save 500, and then for the 500, you can put it in the ones that the red and pink, because you already have them.
I haven't had problems with TARS
No.
yet,
So,
so like the
like,
jetpack is
yeah.
more. Okay, I still got money.
Here.
Yeah, I'm gonna do plort collector. Just cause like they're like so radiation.
They're so radiation.
Yeah.
There you go.
All right, and I almost have enough. So like maybe with all these plorts, I can get the upgraded.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
So just suck these up. Ooh, they have a lot in there.
Yeah.
Look how much.
Oh my
You have to
god.
take 2 trips.
Yeah, I am, girl.
Nice.
And they should have some too.
Oh, they weren't all transformed. Are they now?
Oh. I think so. If not, there's a little plort in there.
Let's
They
see.
look like they're all.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, yeah, it's 10.
Okay.
So, yeah. Oh, they made more. Press the button again. Just come back for it.
Nobody eat that! Nobody fucking eat.
Oh my god. So much money! Oh my god. Damn! Oh god. My ears.
Nah. No, yeah, no, okay. Nah. Just get rid of
There
this
you go.
little bitch. Boop. Okay.
So now
I'm
you
so
can-
cool.
Yeah.
Upgrade my
Yeah, upgrade
thingy.
yourself.
Let's do this. Maybe we should do more running power.
Sure. That works.
What's that? Oh, it's that boom!
The boom! Yeah.
The dash boots. Oh, reduce the energy.
Oh, so you can run for longer.
Yeah.
It's like we get. Oh, if you sell the plorts that are in there, you'll have enough for it. Because there
There's
are
only
like
2 in there. Huh?
you need $9.
Oh. Do I got any more?
They just made some.
Oh. Yeah. Give me all your money.
Oh my god. Alright, now sell those. Then you'll have enough to fully upgrade.
I'm pretty sure when I had everything, I put all the dangerous slimes in the cave.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, and that's what I'll probably do again. Just because that way.
Move them.
Yeah. What did I want? Dash boots?
Yep. So then you'll be able to run even
Yeah.
longer.
I got it. I almost have everything. I
Yeah.
need these 3.
Yeah, and you'll unlock a lot more as you
Yeah.
progress.
Cool beans, dude. So all this needs now is a plort collector.
Yeah.
And then that's it. Oh, and like automatic feed are all like soon.
Yeah, but in order for it to be on par with the other ones, it's only missing the
Yeah.
collector.
Sweet, dude.
The other stuff are just, it's just helpful, but
Yeah.
like,
So I can go and put my phosphors in there now.
yeah, you have a phone call you can answer. Just to,
Oh, phone call.
yeah.
A mail.
No, trade, like the,
Oh, trade.
like, see this guy.
Oh, yeah.
Never mind.
Fire.
Okay! Sorry. Alright, so.
Let's go get some phosphos.
Phosphorus.
Phosphor. Phosphor.
Yeah, it's easier to collect the phosphorus.
Yeah.
And then,
Whoa!
Oh, alright, hello guys. And then you can import.
Yeah.
Away. Just need 3 more.
Hello. Oh,
What
there
is
you
it?
go. Thanks, guys.
Easy.
Bye.
You can go grab a boom floor if you want. You can start combining.
I'm really just getting into this shit now, you know?
Are you?
I'm just doing so good.
Hell yeah.
Like, my whole life is just like, I'm doing amazing. Like, I'm just great.
Oh. Okay.
Look at me. I'm such a nice little slime rancher. I mean, fuck.
Yeah.
Okay, whatever, bitch. If you don't believe in me, I believe in me. It doesn't matter.
That's good. I'm glad you believe.
Hello.
You can just like take a boom slime and then like eat it.
Kidnapped you.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, yeah, man. You don't need it anymore.
Fuck it. But y'all need to slow the fuck down here for a
Munchin'.
second, babies. You do it. Put it. I forgot.
Yeah, look
Woohoo, baby!
You can, so, remember how this place had like that other place you couldn't access? Can you get a jetpack? Now you can go there.
Oh my god,
Like
yeah.
at the end with the bridge.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sweet. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and just like. Oh my god. Okay.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna make my slimes and we'll go explore more.
Alright.
Why the fuck not? What else we gonna do, girl? What else we gonna do, girl? What? You just hit me.
You're doing your weird finger things. Stop that.
It's just who I am, baby.
This is your OCD. It's not who you are.
That's who I am. Get in there, bitches.
There you go. And get a little boom port.
Oh my god.
Like, oh god! Alright, and then that'll go. That should be the next thing you upgrade is the food.
Yeah.
Because like they start to get real hungry
they
by
do.
the end of by their next feeding. It's like
Yeah.
giving them more will
Yeah.
make them happier in general.
Definitely. Hi, there's a rock in there. People get a rock. Oh yeah, slime toy.
Yeah.
Cute. I wonder, does like it say what kind of toys they like? Or no?
I don't know. No, I don't think so. But when you get the little shop where you can buy the toys, it'll say what.
Oh,
which one
okay.
likes them.
That's good.
Like you can guess like if it's a
Rock.
probably a rock. Yeah.
Okay, let's go explore. Door.
Go
Explore.
explore.
Dora.
Stop.
Should we do the cave or should we do the moss?
Probably the cave, because you've already explored like a lot of the cave. It's just like
Okay.
reached the end of it. The monster you still ready to explore.
Rude.
It's not rude, it's just true.
So rude.
And still, like when you find chickens, try and collect them.
Yeah.
Be
Oh
the
my god.
tiny big boy.
God.
Stop.
Happy big boy.
Tabby, big boy. Yeah.
Big boy. Big boy, Tabby.
Alright. Ooh, flying!
Girl.
Damn, she's flying.
It attacked me.
Oh my god. I think you're fine.
I don't think so, honestly.
I do.
I'm pretty sure I died, but okay.
You
Whatever.
did not, though.
I did, though. You don't understand.
I do.
No, you don't, baby. Alright, open these beach.
Ooh, look at that!
Oh shit!
Almost.
I didn't make it.
Alright.
Okay, so I go through here, and I go over here,
Yeah.
over into the dangerous.
Into
we go.
the dangerous.
Into the dangerous. Okay. I almost
There
died.
you go.
Chickens!
It's an elder rooster. He's old.
I don't need an elder.
He's aged.
What did chicken do?
Alright.
Oh god, there's so many.
I
What are those pink? Oh, they just haven't rendered all the way.
go that way.
This way?
Yeah.
Okay.
Secret.
Oh, yeah. Almost died. Hi! Did I already have a rock?
Yeah. But there's more than just
Oh,
one of
I
each.
forgot. Hi, little guy.
Oh, you can feed him those. What was that?
Nothing. I didn't do anything. God, I swear. You're just so rude. For no reason. I didn't even do anything about it. I don't even know.
Ours.
I don't have water.
Yeah, it's okay. Just, there's another way you can go that way.
Yeah, towards the doors.
Ah! You're flying, damn.
That's scary, guys.
You don't have. You barely have energy.
Oh.
You were at like 40. It was currently going up.
What's my jetpack?
What do you mean what's your jetpack?
Like, what's my jetpack power?
the same energy.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah. So careful.
I know what I'm doing, God.
Sure you do.
One day swimming.
So yeah, so they're
Swear on my life.
there.
It's a little baby. Oh, it's a big boy. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to get sick. You like Oka. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, veggies. You can feed him the heartbeat if you want. Thank you.
Goodbye.
Give me some. I'm so far away.
I thought you liked me. Silly rats. Trying to kill me.
Oh,
Silly. Oh, he likes veggies. Oh god.
there's some
Oh,
Oka down
yeah.
there. I don't. I don't think you take fall damage. I think you could have fallen from that height and been fine.
Yeah, but it's just more fun.
You gonna go beat him?
Yeah, I'm just looking. I'm looking around.
You were.
Oh.
You walked right past it.
I wasn't looking for him. I was looking around for more.
Oh.
Well, think with your head.
You can do the same.
Hey, you bitch. Eat. Eat. Yummy. Yummy.
Oh my god.
Yummy. I'm not even touching the spray, and it was still running.
Yeah.
Hi, going to sleep.
What?
That scared me. I was scared.
I can tell.
The hell am I even?
Yeah.
God, I'm getting so lost.
So long.
So lost. Oh my god!
Oh, so that'll take you back
Yeah.
to your range.
Okay.
That's good.
Yes. There's another thingy over here.
Mm-hmm. Go down there.
So big, I don't know where the hell I'm going. Oh, and I'm back to the...
No, it's a different place.
Oh, God.
A new location.
Where's the chicken? Hi, boomers.
Hey, boomers.
Boom boom.
Oh.
Hey, boomer.
What's up, boomers?
Okay, boomer. Small fruit.
Okay.
Hi.
What?
Oh God.
Oh.
There's so many things. Oh my God. There's so many things for me
Stop.
to see.
Stop.
No.
So strange.
Is there anything else over here?
No.
What about over there? You sure?
Probably stuff.
Yeah, freaking liar. Liar, liar,
That was chicken.
yeah.
But now there's pork.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't run on me.
Don't run over me.
Don't run over me.
Oh, look at all those little
Oh my
veggies.
Hi. Okay. Is that the way I came in?
No.
Okay. That is so confusing. I'm so confused.
I know. What's new?
Hey. This is all so crazy. I've literally played this before.
This is all so crazy.
And I'm so
Look up.
Okay, sweet, sweet.
Sweet,
Hi.
sweet. See, now you're back to one of the areas. Like the area you were just in.
Oh,
There
okay.
we go.
Oh, was there more over there for me to
No.
look at? Oh, girl.
What?
So confused. Oh, girl. Veggies.
You're full.
Ah, I need that. Don't worry about it. Where is Big Boy?
Which big boy?
Green Boy.
No. Yeah.
Well, he eats veggies, right? Yeah.
Yeah. Just keep going.
Are there veggies over there?
There's something behind it. Oh, yeah. Alright. Almost. It's in the next area you're going to be getting to.
Okay.
Where he is. Oh, you found some stuff. Just-
Oh, not onion.
So he's in this area. Got it.
I know, I just want to figure it out before I walk.
Just walk through them. It doesn't hurt you at all. It builds up rad, but there you go. What a good girl. Like,
Thank you.
chicken's so low. His radiation field is bigger too.
Oh God. Here, eat this. Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
I'm out of here.
There you go.
Alrighty. I just need to learn how to get home.
You get the teleporter.
Oh yeah. But doesn't that teleport me to a place that I don't know
To
yet?
home.
I like music.
Where did you?
Is this where I go?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's not?
It is, but
What am I doing?
you were up here. All you had to go through that bone. You went up here, then
Oh.
you flew across, and then came back up to where you were, and then flew across there. And it's just like what?
I'm just confused. Oh, mochi. I like mochi.
Mochi miles. Alright. And
Casey. Alrighty.
And
Okay, guys. Whew. Hope y'all enjoyed that.
oh my god.
Bye.
Bye.
Don't know when it started. It feels as natural